Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best budget tempered glass PC case that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Coolermaster Masterbox Q300L. This is another offering from the Coolermaster range of tempered glass PC cases. The Q300L is sufficiently big to rival with the premium PCs. While we love the fact that this option comes with a pocket-friendly budget, it packs quite some features. We love the sleek appearance of the best tempered glass PC case with all the RGB fans and RGB LED features. The casing also comes with an equally good performance and excellent features that come with quality. Due to the specifications, you are well ensured that the device comes with features that will rival more expensive premium tempered glass PC cases. At number 4, Cougar MX330-G. This case is such a budget tempered glass case that it rivals the premium and more expensive glass cases out there. For a pocket-friendly price, users are able to fit in a maximum GPU length of 12 inches and a maximum cooler height of 6 inches if they are looking to build a gaming beast with their cases. However, one of the cons of this case is the fact that it comes only in a black option. This means that if you are a style lover with a thing for variety, this is not the best case for you. However, it is still the good budget case option though, so users can trade in their aesthetics preferences for the amount of money they are willing to spend on a PC case. At number 3, Phanteksenthoo evolv Budget Tempered Glass PC Case. This is a best tempered glass PC case that comes with an amazing style and will ideally suit the needs of most users. While this Phantek's option may not be among the cheap options in the market, we tip the component for being quite sleek and attractive. We love the RGB LED and the RGB fans of this casing, which features double tempered glass panels. This case is used to transform all your computing needs to a sleek and eye-popping device. Apart from the excellent design of the device, this casing comes with premium features. At number 2, Thermaltake Versa H17 Budget Tempered Glass PC Case. This option is one of the budget tempered glass PC cases you can find in the market. It is such an excellent option for people who love the micro ATX. This micro ATX device is such a decent option which is affordable and comes with lots of specifications. The Thermaltake Versa H17 is truly an ultimate solution for those looking to build their PCs to something more formidable. We love the simple and sleek design of this device, which is made from the brushed aluminum material. Users get a tool-free support and design to help fit in their mini ITX and micro ATX motherboards. It is not a case that is designed to impress the user, but one which does what it is supposed to do. At number 1, bequiet Dark Base Pro 900. The bequiet Dark Base Pro 900 is one of the best choices for the best tempered glass PC cases. It is the best full tower tempered glass case and comes with some pretty cool features. It has a GPU length of 18 inches to provide enough space for the internal components. This PC case has a lovely front panel. It has a cooler height of about 7 inches. This is the component that houses the liquid cooling agent that is used to initiate the cooling of the PC. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.